It's got acres of Wimbledon White and a big block under the hood, and it's our subject for today's What Are You In For? This cool 1966 Ford Fairlane came to the V8 Speed and Resto shop as it is kind of finishing up a restoration, but it needed some help. This car is being built to look like a 66 Ford Fairlane 427 R code. Those are very hard to find. I think Ford only made 57 of the R code 427 cars in 66. And those had the 427, they had special carburation, they had special headers, top loader 4-speed, 9-inch rear end. So again, a very hard car to find, limited production. Interestingly, one of the reasons why Ford stopped making those was because they had a problem with the headers, which this car does too. This one has a 428 under the hood, but it looks the part as it would have originally. This one is here because we've got a little bit of a header fit challenge. These headers are leaking, and in order to get the bolt out of that one, we have a little bit of a conundrum because it's up against the shock tower. So we're going to be doing a little bit of work there along with some rewiring of the front half of the car and the dashboard. Now, one of the keys of the R code Fairlane is less is definitely more. When you look inside this car, it's about as bare bones as they come. Again, this is not a real Fairlane R code, but the interior is made to look just like one. Vinyl bench seat, front and rear. Although this one has a column shift, which is a little bit of a giveaway because the other R code cars had a floor shift with the 4-speed. But this one has that same vibe of a lightweight street racer. And I love the Wimbledon White exterior because it looks like a giant bowl of vanilla ice cream. You know, this is not something you would think would be ready to blow your doors off in a street race, but probably will be. So we're going to do some wiring on this one, fix some front suspension upgrades, maybe do some other general maintenance, and who knows, something else might get added to the list. Those add-ins seem to happen when cars come here, but that's what you get. And that's what this Fairlane is in for here at V8 Speed and Resto. If you've got a car that needs to be completed or needs some upgrades, click our website at v8speedshop.com. We're happy to help you out.